हाय, कैसे हैं आप सभी। उम्मीद करता हूँ अच्छे होंगे। माय मैकेनिक्स यूट्यूब चैनल वालों ने 22 अगस्त 2020 को एक वीडियो अपलोड किया था जिसका नाम है 1891 हरमन वेलकरोड राजपूत ड्राइवर रेस्टोरेशन। वीडियो का लिंक आप लोग को डिस्क्रिप्शन पर मिल जाएगा। उस वीडियो का फुल फनी कमेंट्स रीड करेंगे। वीडियो को जाके आप लोग देख सकते हो। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
Congratulations.
बढ़ते फर्स्ट कमेंट की ओर। The whole time I was this, I was thinking how the heck is this thing actually supposed to work, and then the final demonstration it all clicked.
लेकिन एक सेकंड
130-year-old and that's better rich screwdriver than you can buy today. This is a piece of art, not only the tool but also restoration well done.
वो भी टेढ़े वाले।
The second handle to apply more torque with is a really nifty idea, and I wonder why more screwdriver don't he have that.
हमारे यहाँ ऐसा ही होता है।
Just bumped into your channel and I am in our. You are an artist. I have seen your fabricate a lot of things, yet the celebration of the ball is one the most gratifying fabs of all time.
चूतिया बनाया तुमको।
You are too superb and it's great to watch. You have also a full machine, but I am not going to lie. The sunblasting is my favorite, so satisfying.
ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ।
You can literally make anything. A true engineer and craftsman.
ओ भोसड़ी वालों, भगवान से डरो।
Really beautiful workmanship. I wish I knew how did you accurate all the skill that you are used in your projects.
ये कहाँ बवासीर बना दिए हो?
Amazing craftsmanship. It looked brand new after restoration. Keep up the good work. No talk, no music. Only pure sound, precision and machine. The way I like the best.
अब तो सच बोल दे भोसड़ी के।
That is an amazing take from way back when and quality nice. Job restoration, a piece of history. If the original manufacturer of this thing would see that, this he'd be immensely proud.
मस्त जोक मारा रे। 1 hour later.
I don't talk. I have ever seen that ball cutting machine before that was honestly really cool seeing it in action. वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। मिलते हैं किसी नए वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए जय हिंद जय भारत।
खत्म। बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया।
Hold our